Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to explore the feature for the smartwatch, the wallpaper function. So we will try to download and add a wallpaper on the smartwatch. Not the custom watch face that you can add your own picture as a background for your watch face or dial, but rather you can add your wallpaper on the menus, okay, as a background for your menus, similar to your PC, laptop, and of course smartphone. So it is the real deal wallpaper and not just a custom watch faces or watch face. Okay, so if you are interested to see this feature on the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch, watch this video as we will provide you a step-by-step guide on how to download or add a watch face to your smartwatch. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch wallpaper. Okay, so we have here the different menus, and we want to add a background or a photo as a background for this menu. Okay, so just go to the section, wallpaper section of the Wear Fit Pro application. Okay, it's still loading. Let's wait. So we have here, okay, let's start from the dashboard of our device. As you can see here, we do have the common functions. We have the favorite contacts here, weather, alarm, wallet, local music, AI dial album, and album. For the wallpaper section, you have to go to the theme market. Then go to the customize. You also have here wallpaper that you can download. Okay, so there are several wallpaper here. Some are for sale, some are free. But in our case, we will add our own wallpaper. We will try this later on. Okay, let's go first on adding our own wallpaper. As you can see here, we do have a menu wallpaper. So set your own menu wallpaper according to your personal preferences. So tap on it, add wallpaper. Let's pick a photo here. Okay, we'll use this one. Crop the image, check, and this will be our wallpaper. As you can see, we have a preview of the menu wallpaper. Then tap on installation. So installing, as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. So it is now receiving our custom menu wallpaper. Okay, I guess it's already applied. Let's see. As you can see, we have our own custom wallpaper. So very good so far. As you can see, it makes our smartwatch looks more premium. Beautiful looking background for our smartwatch. Then let's go back again to our wallpaper section. So this section is loaded with different wallpaper for your smartwatch. Okay, so we will pick a free wallpaper. Let's see if it's really free. Okay, let's pick this one, cat in a box. Okay, it's free. As you can see, 221 KB. So there's a lot of install already, as you can see here. So let's try. Tap on installation, and as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to receiving mode or download mode. So let's wait. And that's it. So let's see. Press. And we have our free download a cat wallpaper. Okay, so let's explore the section here for the wallpaper. So some are for sale. So there are different categories. So if you want a free wallpaper, just scroll the list of wallpaper here. Okay, go back. Poetic. So $1. So this one is free. Young girls. Okay, most of the photos here are portrait. Then we also have Starry Night painting. Okay, I like this one. Most of the wallpaper here are free. And we have Dazzling and Shining. Cool technology. Let's check this one. Okay, let's try to download one. I'm interested to see the result. So tap on this one. Then installation. Okay, installing. Let's see. So far the download is fast and smooth. Okay, no issues at all. And we have here our own wallpaper. Nice. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial step-by-step guide on how to add or download your own menu wallpaper for your smartwatch, particularly the HK10 Ultra 3 smartwatch. Okay, so if you find this video tutorial useful, drop a comment below. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and of course, subscribe. Bye.